And a good news as India has achieved the vaccine target for the day. The target for the day was 2 crore vaccinations to mark Prime Minister's birthday. And as you can see, we have the CoWIN app open here. India, as of this second, and it's continuously rising, as of this minute, we have more than 2 crore 1,93,848 vaccinations in a day. It's a new vaccine milestone for India. And as you can see, viewers, this number is constantly going up. It's now 2 crore 1 lakh, 2 crore 2 lakh in fact. Now the number is exceeding. And what a lot of experts are also believing is that by the end of the day when the vaccination closes, we could very well have 2.5 crore vaccinations. Also, we will have Abhishek Kapoor, our senior executive editor, joining. He will join us live in a short while from now because he's been tracking these numbers very closely. And this is what we can tell our viewers right now. India has achieved the vaccine target. In fact, it was only 1.5 crore vaccinations that were administered in just 8 hours. And right now, India has achieved the vaccine milestone 2 crore. It is 2 crore vaccines have been administered in the day so far. Over 2 crore vaccines have been administered in the day so far. And we will have more to go. What experts, like we told you earlier, what experts believe is that 2.5 crore could also be the achievement for the day, is what we are getting to know. Now throughout India, to mark Prime Minister's birthday, many of the states, many of the BJP workers had in fact ramped up the vaccination drive. Gujarat was carrying out a massive vaccination drive, is what we are getting to know. Even in Mumbai, actually, the BMC had announced that it will be an all-women's vaccine drive today in Mumbai. So a lot of states administering vaccine, the BJP also promoting it, pushing through the message of good governance by ensuring that India achieves its vaccine target. And as of this minute, right now, the vaccinations that have been administered today are 2 crore 2,30,772. These many doses have been administered for the day. Piyush is joining us on the phone line. Piyush, you've been tracking the entire vaccine drive since we launched in January. And never has India achieved, in fact, this could be the highest in the world that has been administered today, setting a new record. India is setting a new record. So Piyush, if you can tell our viewers about the different kinds of vaccine drives that have been conducted today on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday.
Well, absolutely. We know as to how BJP had, in fact, decided to observe Prime Minister's birthday by, inaugurating good number of jabs and also organizing the.
So we just lost Piyush there, but just once again, to review for our viewers, this is the vaccination number that we're getting. Live update on the CoWIN app, 2 crore 2,56,856 vaccine doses have been administered for the day. The target for today, said by the Health Ministry, by the government, was that of 2 crore vaccine doses that will be administered today on the 17th of September. That is a Prime Minister's birthday. And just till 5 p.m. itself, we have over 2 crore vaccinations. What experts believe is that by the end of the day, the numbers could be well higher. So Piyush is back with us on the phone line. Piyush, what are your sources telling us? What could be the figure by the end of today, is the 17th of September?
Well, that's the massive vaccination camp. In fact, major vaccination milestone for India because we saw as to how BJP initially had decided to observe today Prime Minister's birthday by organizing vaccination camps across the country. Not only in one part, but in every part of the country, we saw as to how different vaccination camps were organized. And right now, as we are speaking, 2 crore vaccines have been administered in just one day, and that's the very big development. India has now crossed, many countries, as far as this drive is concerned. We'll have to wait and watch.
Piyush, I have to interrupt you for a bit because we have Dr. Shashank Joshi joining us on the phone line. He is a very crucial member of the Maharashtra COVID task force. Dr. Joshi, if your views on this very big achievement of what India has today of crossing the 2 crore milestone as far as vaccine doses are administered. Your first response on that?
Oh, I think it's a fantastic achievement. India is the fastest vaccinating country on planet Earth. We took off slowly, but I think we have progressed extremely well. And I think today we'll cross 2.5 to 3 crores, which will be an perfect gift for our Honorable Prime Minister. And I think our vaccination coverage, the more we vaccinate, the safer we are. So when we are moving towards a COVID-free world and a COVID-safe environment, this vaccination, which has picked up now tremendously, and we are beating crore after crore, and I'm reasonably certain that today we'll cross between 2.5 to 3 crores, will be a very big boost to our vaccination drive. Remember, half the world's vaccines are made in India, and India is the largest producer and the largest vaccinator. We have been eliminating smallpox, we have eliminated polio, and I'm certain even in COVID, we'll be the world leaders. Already we are the fastest vaccinating country on planet Earth.
Dr. Shashank Joshi, and also telling our viewers, we have this graph that has been released by the government of India, which just gives us an overview of how India is faring as far as the total number of vaccine doses administered are. So India has so far administered 784 million doses of COVID vaccine. Just even higher than Europe, even higher than all the countries in Europe is what this graph is showing, because Europe has administered 777 million doses, followed by North America, which has administered 593 million doses, South America 403 million doses, Africa has administered 129 million doses, and Oceania, which includes countries like New Zealand and Australia, have administered 30 million doses. India topping this chart, topping this graph with 784 million vaccine doses so far. This is the data as on 17th of September, but definitely a vaccine milestone that has been achieved by India. And now today we have administered, today itself we have administered 2 crore vaccine doses in a single day. These are the latest pictures, in fact, that we're getting of Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia as well, who is distributing sweets as we've crossed the mark, as we've crossed the 2 crore vaccination mark. And we will also have our senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor joining us live to talk about, because he's been tracking these developments. Because he's been tracking the entire vaccine drive since the 16th of January, since we first launched the vaccine drive. And in fact, Mansukh Mandavia, Health Minister, is giving a soundbite. Let's listen in.
All health workers, well done India.
सर और कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
यही मैसेज.
From the Union Health Minister, a very short message coming in from the Union Health Minister as he was congratulating the entire country on achieving the vaccine target of 2 crore vaccine doses in a single day. The numbers are constantly increasing. In fact, if you can show the CoWIN dashboard to our viewers as well, it is right now at 2 crore 3 lakhs 11,441 at this minute, in this second, and it's increasing now with 100 doses more just given in the next 30 seconds. And so this is the entire vaccine report that Republic TV is getting you. India is fast vaccinating all its citizens and closer to a COVID-free India.